Hi, I'm Si. I work with BudBox and I've been working for BudBox for the last 7 or 8 years and I'm the General Manager. Well, this is the BudBox Pro and let me tell you some of the reasons why you should be buying BudBox Pro. First and foremost, power reflectivity. We have an unbelievable record in power reflectivity, best in class as it turns out to be. Independently tested twice, our Pro White unit offers the most power reflectivity of any grow tent on the market. So that's reason number one. If you're spending a lot of money on expensive kit, lights and so on, why not get the best bang for your buck? Go for Pro White. One of the second reasons to buy a BudBox Pro is the strength of the frame. From 4 foot or 120, 120 upwards, all our poles are 25 millimeters thick, 1 millimeter thick walls, that's very important, tempered steel and powder coated. As you can see here, incredibly rigid. So let's have a look at some of the other features that define a BudBox Pro and why you should perhaps buy a BudBox Pro. All our tents come with double stitched seams. Very important, some tents don't. That gives you extra security and rigidity at all stress points. We have reinforcements at the corners, a very small feature that you might not notice in a lot of tents, but it also helps keep the canvas all together. We have oversized vents. They are double cuffed to allow you to either use them with as they're intended or to close them up if you don't need to use them. Plenty of options on the vents and port sizes. We have a night vision window which is visible in the door. This is a green viewing window and that allows you to observe your plants during their sleep cycle without disturbing them whatsoever. We have a drip tray for all those minor issues that you might get when you're growing cycles, any slight spills, certainly contained within here, and don't give you any issues outside of the tent whatsoever. We have passive vents around all the tents. They can be sealed or left open, micro mesh vents, both sides. We have access doors, lots of access doors. So once you get above 120, 120, you'll find access doors as well as the main zips. So you can use the main vertical zips to get your kit in and to get out, but during your growing cycle you can use the access doors to make it a lot easier to get in and out. One of the features of a BudBox Pro is the fact that not only do we have access doors for when you've got the tent set up, but that we have a main central vertical zip and horizontal zips at the top and the bottom that allow you to completely unwrap the canvas when you're assembling or deassembling the tent. This main vertical zip here runs to the top and bottom and along all the sides, right round and unzips on 3 sides. Makes it much easier when you're trying to assemble the tent. Another features that we have for BudBox Pro are our roof hanging bars. Inside all BudBox Pros you are given 2 types of hanging bar, an E and an F. The E is the shallower drop, the F has a deeper drop. They can be used in different cells within the unit, together or separately. And they come with little silicone pads which are there to reduce acoustic vibrations and also to prevent tears or damage to the frame of the canvas. All BudBox Pros come with a uplift irrigation bar. This is an H bar that is designed to be used with gravity-fed watering and nutrient systems. It has many positions depending on the size of the tent that you can put it in, like all BudBox Pros. You can have options to put it on the left or the right, and on the bigger tents such as this, there are 4 positions you can put it in. One of the benefits of BudBox Pro is simply the size of the range that we do. We offer 28 different sizes, all in 2 different colours, so 56 in total. That starts from a 75, 100, our small nursery tent, and goes right up to the 9 by 4.5 by 8 foot Titan 9, which is our largest grow tent currently, although we are making a larger one at the minute. So that gives you lots of different footprints to fit into different spaces. We also offer a roof loft attic range that comes in 3 sizes, 120, 120, 150, 150, and 120, 240. And again, those are designed to make the best space of all those tight spaces you might have in your house. From 120, 120, all BudBox Pros come in 2 different heights. 2 meters, which is our standard height, and then 2.2. The 2.2 is known by HL, so if you have a 120, 120, and it's a 2.2, it'll be a 120, 120, 220, which is our XL Highline model. This allows you to choose whether you want different lighting systems and gives you greater options with our range.